I change the values. For example, 2 foot for this. I click, and according to place you click, from 2 feet, everything offset from 2 feet. Okay, I try to draw. Okay, it's connected automatically. It is interesting to know this. The reason is because our automatically connect is active now. It's activated, so it connected everything automatically. I deactivate this. It will not connect it automatically. I use the dimension. It can't select the here. I want to select the edge. So use tab. The place of the dimension will change. Again, I use Duct justification, center everything will adjust it according to center. From here to this center of Duct, I put the left in the value. As you can see from here, I use from the edge to edge, or I change the direction. Justification, I put the right. I select this. As you can see, click right, cancel. Dimension according to the edge to the right edge. 2 feet. This was for horizontal justification. I put the default values, and for horizontal offset I use 0. Vertical justification, you can do your configuration here, or you can select your dock, and from the properties window you can change the values. Exactly same. Center, radius, elbow tees, radius, rectangular, vertical justification, top, middle, bottom, exactly are the same as middle, bottom. Here, justification, I change to the bottom. Okay. Now my default value is bottom. If I use top, my default change middle. As you can see, the values will change. Bottom, okay, 12, 8 feet, cancel. I try to double click on the R section plane from the level 1 to the downward of our duct. This is fixed now. Select, remove, go, automatically connect. You are familiar with this now. It has some benefits. For example, I don't want to connect, so I can deactivate this. Inherit elevation, what is this? And inherit size. How does it work? It will merge the sides. For example, 22 by 10 and I try to draw, and in different place of our project there's a 13 by 9, okay, and I change the elevation, for example 12, and I try to draw a duct, and I deactivate this tool. I select duct again, and I want to continue drawing this. There's a tag here, but if there is a no tag, you don't know how much is the dimension of this. And we don't know the situation of this. Oh, our size is smaller. If you use inherit size, okay, the size is same as the previous size. So the elevation are same as the main dimensions. And shortcut, I used 28 by 9 and elevation 12. I'm trying to draw, modify, and I want to continue drawing. I select and click here. It is not necessary to use this and inherit size. And you can use just a space key on your keyboard. Your size are same now, and use both workings of those tools, inherit elevation and inherit size. They are the pre-drawing tools. This lesson will continue.